Hello there. On this video, I just want to show you how easy it is to buy SupaVite with Bitcoin. All right. So the first step is to go to SupaVite-Plus.com. All right. Then once you get there, you'll be presented with this page right here. And in my case, you can see that I already have something in my cart, but I'm going to remove it so that we can all be on the same page. Okay, right? So now, by the way, if you are doing this on a smartphone or on a small device, what you're going to see is a page like this. So in that case, what you're going to have to do is to click on this hamburger icon and then click on this down arrow and then go to the SupaVite Plus menu and you will be taken to the SupaVite Plus page. All right. Now, here we are. I'm back to the laptop or desktop screen now. So I'm viewing the SupaVite Plus page, and I can see that a SupaVite box is going to cost me $800, and you can see that right now my cart is empty. There's nothing in it. Now, what I can do is I can actually choose the flavors. So because SupaVite comes in 3 flavors, right? So the original flavor, banana and strawberry, right? But for this order, I will just go with the original flavor because that's my personal favorite. So now what I will do is I will just click on add to cart. I'm adding it to my cart right now. Now notice that my cart is going to be updated right here, and you can see that it says now SupaVite Plus has been added to my cart. So what I can do before I check out, I can just click on view cart. Sorry about that pop-up. So when I click on view cart, what is going to happen is that a page is going to be displayed for me to be able to see what's inside my cart right now. All right. Okay. So as you can see, I have one box of SupaVite. It's an original flavor. But if I wanted to add more, right, for instance, I can just use this box here to increase the quantity, and then I can update my cart and take a look at my cart and see and notice that now it went up to 1.6 because now I'm buying 2 boxes of a SupaVite. But let's say I want to add another flavor, right? So now what I will do is, in order for me to be able to add another flavor, I will just go back to a previous page. I will go back to the shop because I want to do some more shopping, right? So let me just go back a little bit. My cart is still there, still showing me that I have 1.6 because I have ordered 2 original boxes of SupaVite. So now let me just say I want to choose now the banana flavor, right? So I only want 1 box of banana. So I'll click on add to cart again. As you can see, the system updates and says it has been added to my cart. Notice that the total is updated as well, indicating that I have 3 boxes in my cart. Right, again, I can just view my cart over here to see exactly what I have in there. And as you can see, I have 2 original flavors of SupaVite and I have 1 flavor, right? But let's say I change my mind. I only want to take 1 original SupaVite box. So I will just cancel that, close this one here, and then I will come back here and then say I only want 1 box for now. Okay, and then I will update my cart, and then it's going to go down to $800 as you can see here, and then I will have to scroll down a little bit. Just scroll down, and it says ship to, so they already have my information in my case, but in your case there might not be anything in here, so you're gonna have to proceed to cart. So let's proceed to cart. I can change my address if I wanted to. So on this page here now, this is the checkout page, right? I can see that it's going to be free for me because I'm ordering something that is 800 and above. So if you're ordering boxes that are $800 and above, it's going to be free for you. And then if you go down a bit, this is the page where you need to enter all your information. All right, just enter all your information. You can leave this box blank. As you can see, it's optional. And then the default is to pay with your bank. You can send money from your bank, but remember that our aim is to pay with Bitcoin in this case. All right. So I will just choose my payment method, which is going to be Bitcoin. But of course, you can pay with Ethereum, Litecoin, or even Bitcoin Cash if you want. And just complete this form carefully, and then scroll down. And if you don't have an account, you will have to create your account right here. and then indicate that you have read and understood the terms and conditions, and then proceed to your checkout page, or to your to your page where you're going to be able to pay with Bitcoin. So now notice that it says proceed to Coinbase. So now even if you are not using Coinbase, you don't have to use Coinbase actually to pay with cryptocurrency or to pay with Bitcoin. You could be using Luno, you could be using Ocon Trader, you could be using any other cryptocurrency wallet out there. I searched that SupaVite-Plus.com is using Coinbase as a way of taking payment from our customers. All right. So let's just say I want to pay with Bitcoin. So I will just click on this. Now it shows me the Bitcoin amount that I need to pay, and I need to do this within 1 minute. As you can see here, it's counting down. So now what I can do is I can just copy this amount of Bitcoin, and then go to my Bitcoin account, and then click on send, because I want to send Bitcoin from my Luno account. Okay, in this case it logged me out, so I need to log back in. So I will log back in into my Alright, so I'm back into my Luno account. So I will just click on the send button because I want to send Bitcoin from my Luno account. And then I will click on Bitcoin, and the amount of Bitcoin I want to send is the one that I copied from the previous page, but I need to indicate which wallet address I want to send to. So I will switch back to here and then click on the copy button. Now notice that I'm not trying to highlight and copy and paste. I just click the copy button. That's the safest way of doing it. Then I will go back to my Luno and then paste the address that I need to send these Bitcoins to. And then I can just click on next and complete the process. If you are using Luno or any Bitcoin wallet, you know exactly how it works. But yeah, in a nutshell, that's how you can buy SupaVite with Bitcoin. And another way that I actually prefer to use, which is safer, is to click the scan QR code instead. And then with your smartphone or tablet phone, you would then just scan this QR code, and automatically the amount of Bitcoin you want to send and the Bitcoin address you need to send Bitcoins to is going to be added into your Bitcoin provider. So you don't have to copy and paste. So this is the safer way of doing things. So do it that way rather than having to copy and paste. So yeah, man, that's it. That's how you can buy SupaVite using Bitcoin. It is that easy. And yeah, I hope that you learned something in this video, and I hope that you're gonna come back and buy some SupaVite with your Bitcoin. And if you are new into Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies, if you don't know what it is and how it works and how to get started, I can help you with that. I can teach you everything you need to know for 100% free. Again, thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to sharing more videos with you in the future. Let's get this crypto. Let's stay healthy with SupaVite as well. Take care. Bye for now.